Hi everyone, welcome back to Hari's Educational Academy. Here we are going to know about first year Bachelor of Physiotherapy degree examinations model paper. Here this is the paper. The exam was held on April 2015. According to the new scheme, there are three parts in the question paper. Part A for 24 marks, Part B 24 marks, Part C 32 marks. Together 80 marks. Here let us see the part A. So part A is completely based on prose. Here write an essay on any one of the following. Here first question is write an essay on any one of the following. It is for 12 marks. So here they will give us two questions from prose. The thing is you can choose any one of the question. So that question is for 12 marks. That means you need to write at least 2 pages. So it is for 2 marks. While writing answer, write about the writer and then go with the story. Write complete summary. Suppose first reading here A, the theme of the Arkanara next Sunday. So if you want to write about that, write about Arkanarayan's first and then write the story, write the summary of next Sunday. In the same way, B question also, summary of O. Henry's after 20 years. Write about O. Henry first, after that, write about the summary of after 20 years. So I have given all the information in the previous videos. You can go through that for after 20 years or next Sunday. Next, question number 2. Write a paragraph on any three of the following. Here you need to write a short paragraph. Half of the page is enough. So it is for 4 marks. So here 4 questions they will give us. You need to choose 3 questions only. The given 4 questions are tradition in Indian cinema, the relationship of language, Khushwant Singh's New York, sentiments in stench of kerosene. So first 2 questions are Indian cinema and languages are general. So think about that. Who is the writer of Indian cinema and tradition and who is the writer of relationship of language? Write about the writer within 2 lines. Then write a short paragraph based on the topic, based on the given lesson. Hope all of you understood part A. Let us see part B. It is for 24 marks. First question. Part B is completely based on poems, poetry. First question is also same like in part A. Write an essay on any one of the following. So for essays you will get 12 marks. First question is explain how the cloud is immortal. Second question is central theme of the earthen goblet. So you can choose any one of the question. Write about the summary of complete lesson, the cloud or the goblet. Next, question number 4. Write a short paragraph on any three of the following. So here you can write any three of these four short paragraph, 4 questions. You need to do is write a paragraph. Before going to write a paragraph, write 1 or 2 lines about the writer. That's enough. The 4 questions are Happy Man, Simon Lee, and Lover's Gift, Unharvested. Better choose Happy Man, Unharvested, and Lover's Gift. You can write very neatly or you can write easily. So you can choose any three of those 4. Hope all of you understood about part B also. Let us see part C. Here in part C, there are 32 marks. First question is first and second question. These 2 questions are general questions. So you have to write a paragraph on the given topic. Explain how physiotherapy course is useful to geriatric patients in the society. So write about uses of physiotherapy. So you can write it. So write at least one side of the page completely. You can write more than that also. Next, write a short paragraph on one of the following. Here, they gave us two questions. You have to write both two questions. Each question carries 3 marks. First one is a visit to general hospital. How to control population in India. So these are also general questions. Write in a short paragraph. Half of the page is enough for this. If you want to write one side of the page. Next, here listen. From question number 7 to question number 11, we have these are based on grammar, and question number 7 for 3 marks, 8 4 marks, 7, and question number 10 6 marks, together 13, and question number 11 4 marks, 17 marks. So total 80 marks question paper. 17 marks we have given grammar, only 17 marks. So let us see about that. Question number 7. Complete the following words by adding er or or. So here incomplete words are there. You can add either er or or at the end. Prefer, prefer. Learner, lerner, learner. Ventilation, ventilator. So you hope all of you understood. You have to add er or or at the end of the word. Next, question number 8. Write antonyms for the following 4 marks. It is based on 4 marks. Antonyms are nothing but opposite words. You can write opposite words. Next, question number 9. It is a general question for 3 marks. Use the following in sentence of your own. So you can write it in your own. The best day, to pass by, to get in. So use the given phrase or word to write your own sentence. So the best day. So yesterday was the best day in my life. Like that you can use. Let us see question number 10. Rewrite as directed. So here 6 questions are there. Each question 1 mark. Let us see the first one. They broke the window. So you have to change this into passive voice. So the answer is the window was broken by them. So how to write passive voice for the given sentence? I did one video. You can go through that video. So that is, you can get that from playlist. You can choose very easily. Next, B. The jockey dash away. Correct tense of the verb forms. So here the correct tense they have to give in the bracket, that is go. So you can choose that the jockey went away. So using correct verb forms, it is also I did a video. So once go through that. He said, I have lost my umbrella. So you have to change this into indirect speech. For this also I did a video. The answer is he said that he had lost his umbrella. And next one, my friend is sick. You have to add question tag. And next one, he cooked. He cooked dash me. Insert the correct preposition. Correct preposition is for. He cooked for me. The dash is pleasant. Pleasant. So the weather, you have to choose correct word. And last question is correct the following sentence. They will give you 4 sentences. They are in wrong. You have to correct the given sentences. So there are many mistakes. Mistake may be there in pronouns, prepositions, or in using conjunctions, relative clauses. So choose where the find out where the mistake is and write it correctly. Hope all of you understood. Thank you all.